To make our watermelon-scented whipped soap, you'll need the following: a set of kitchen weighing scales, a hand or stand mixer, a large mixing bowl, and a selection of smaller bowls for your ingredients. You will also need suitable containers for your end product, 2 jugs or mixing bowls, and a large nozzle and piping bag, although this is optional. For the ingredients, you'll need 600 grams of Stephenson's OPC Base, 6 grams of polysorbate 80, 18 grams of Craftovator's watermelon fragrance oil, and 6 grams of Craftovator's apricot kernel oil. For the coloring, you'll need 6 grams of Craftovator's Fantasia pink mica powder and 6 grams of Craftovator's pistachio green mica powder. We recommend pre-measuring all your ingredients before starting. Start by whipping the OPC base until you reach a whipped cream consistency. Make sure that there are no solid lumps left at the bottom or at the sides. Next, add the watermelon fragrance oil, apricot kernel oil, and polysorbate 80 to the base and continue to whip. Be sure to scrape the bowl around the sides to make sure that the base and the ingredients are fully combined. Continue whipping the ingredients until the base has roughly doubled in volume. Next, you'll want to prepare your colorants. Mica powder can be added directly to the base, but we find it easier to blend when mixed with a little isopropyl alcohol. Simply add a small amount of isopropyl alcohol to your mica powder and mix well until the mica is fully dispersed. Next, split the base into 2 separate containers to create your 2 colors. Add the colorants separately to each container and whisk again until the base and colorants are fully combined. If you're using a piping bag, place a piece of cling film on the counter and lay out the 2 colored mixes next to each other. Fold up the sides of the cling film and mold and shape the mixture into a cylinder shape, making sure you squeeze out any air pockets that may be present. Roll up the ends and snip a small hole into one side and place it inside the piping bag. Pipe the mixture into your containers. This recipe will fill 5 200ml containers. Remember to check out Craftovator's whipped soap assessments if you'd like to sell your products. We hope you enjoyed this whipped soap tutorial from Craftovator. For more tips and tutorials, be sure to follow us on YouTube.